All righty, traders. This is Blake Morrow. You are listening to the Daily Roundup webinar. First and foremost, I guess we are continuing to wait. I was watching the Nancy Pelosi interview or press conference a little earlier, and do I think a deal is going to get done today? I mean, it seems like it's all posturing, but she also said, it's something is not better than getting what you want. So basically, she's saying, hey, we're not really going to budge from this number, I know they wanted 2.2 trillion. I mean, let's just say they're not coming too far off of it. They're probably looking at least 2 trillion, and for the Republicans, that's a big pill to swallow for a lot of Republicans. So, is a deal going to get done today? I don't know, but the market hinges on it, like where we're at. And the good news is, I think we can be fairly confident of this. So and I'm looking at the S&P right now. So let's just go with that. Okay. I think we can be fairly confident with this. Something that looks like that. Okay. Meaning, while we're above this 3360, you can stay bullish, but, because what could happen, and let me just, map it out for you. What could happen? Deal gets done. Boom. We rally, channel resistance. It's something like this, right? This is one option. Something that looks like that, right? I'm trying to make it parallel, right? Boom, deal gets done. Or boom, deal doesn't get done, right? And then we slump to the lows. So I think the way to view it right now is kind of what you're seeing here. I think that's the best way to look at it at the moment. Do I know which way it's going to go? No, absolutely not. But let's talk about some currencies that I think are at an inflection point. Okay. First of all, let's go to the euro. In my opinion, the euro is facing pretty key resistance. So this is where we do or die, right? Somewhere up here, the 117.80 to 118 level, something like that. Okay, somewhere up there. Cable, you guys know I'm not even dealing with the cable. This is a disaster. And I told you, 130 to 127. You guys have fun with it. Have a great time. Aussie, we are challenging the underside of this previous channel. Remember, this is an important channel. All right, let me actually do this. Right. That. Dang, this is off. Okay, hold on. Let me delete this for a second. Make sure we draw this correctly. Top. Right? Copy or clone, sure, whatever you want to call it. Bottoms. Okay, so that means it's right here, really key. Basically right there. Pivot, right? That's your pivot. Kiwi, this is it, where we're at. Do or die, make it or break it. Dollar Canadian, I still think that the dollar Canadian's trading heavy. I can't figure this out because crude is so heavy. So I can't figure out why the dollar Canadian's trading as heavy as it is. I mean, crude's weak, copper's weak, and that's another reason why I can't believe the Aussie's as strong as it is. But the dollar Canadian, I still feel this is pivotal, right? Right there. So I mean, just look around in FX, pivotal. Not dealing with it. Pivotal. Pivotal. You know, I'm looking at the blue boxes, right? Pivotal. Dollar Mexican peso. It's a little volatile one. Pivotal. Yeah. What else? I'll come back to crude and copper, so don't worry. Dollar yen. Pivotal. Right? So do I need to review that again? Just really quick, flip through them so you guys can see where those pivotal levels are in currencies. Should I do it one more time? Just so you guys can see it. In the majors, let's do it. Euro. Pivotal. 117.80. Got it? Okay. Cable, we're not dealing with it. Aussie, 72.25, roughly. Again, this is just roundabout numbers. That's why it's a blue box. Kiwi, 66.60 to 80, somewhere in that neighborhood. Got it? Canadian, 132.60, 132.50, right around there. Dollar Mex, maybe a little lower, 21.75 to 21.60. Dollar yen, right here at 108, 105.80, which, you know, remember, this is the chart of the day from yesterday. Okay, so you guys should know where all the pivotal areas are for currencies. So based on what happens this afternoon, you know, we're either going to break them or reject them. That's all that's all it is. Like, you know, no deal, deal, right? Here we go. Deal, no deal. Deal, no deal. Deal, no deal. Damn it. Deal, no deal, right? No deal, deal. Okay. I think you guys got the picture, right? I hope you did. All right, last two things I want to cover. Copper. What in the fudge sickles happened with copper? I was reading analysis from one of the guys that our firm follows, and he thinks it's like leftover from you know, this was window dressing, end of the month, end of the quarter window dressing, and then now everything reverses. Same with crude oil, window dressing, then whoop, the bottom falls out. So that's what he thought, and you know, right here in the dollar cat, or in crude, you know, probably got the analysis right here. Crude looks like we could bounce near the 37.50 level. We're at 37.60. You know, we bounced like 50 cents since then. So, I mean, you know, this is like channel support. Copper, on the other hand, I mean, yeah, copper. I mean, this is a pretty shoot, where'd it go? This is a pretty big move lower in copper. Now, I would just probably be looking at, you know, for those of you that traded, or, you know, I just more or less watch it, but still, right around there is where I'm going to see if we can hold below. If we hold below, you know, it's not really a good sign for copper. All right. So anyway, Jason said, Blake, which object are you using in TradingView to make that blue inverted triangle? You mean you mean arrow? This one, Jason? That one? Inverted triangle. Oh, inverted triangle right here. Triangle. Boop, boop, boop. That could be Yeah, right? You control the middle of it. Very last point. All right, guys. First of all, thank you all for your support, always. For those of you that are ForexAnalytix subscribers, really appreciate all of you. For those of you that are not part of the ForexAnalytix community and you're watching this like a day later, which in this case is probably too late, day late, dollar short, make sure you join ForexAnalytix. This is the seasonal offer. It will go bye-bye this month, the end of this weekend. So just remember, it will go, and you won't see it for something like it or a derivative of it for months. So make sure you join. Don't wait. All right, thanks, guys, for all your support. I'll see you guys in the chat rooms or on the Face webinar tomorrow morning. See ya. Thanks, guys.